Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Today is Tuesday, December 5th, 2023, and we're over here for one of our clients whose tenant just moved out and left quite a bit of a mess in the house. And I guess the cleanup guys are cleaning crew is here. How you guys doing? I'm Vinny.
Good. Hey.
Hey, how you doing? So this is the house, huh? Let's go see.
Ready to go in?
All right. Show us what you got. What are we working with? What color carpet is that?
Big empty space.
What kind of carpet is that? Is that
Kind of a green.
is that a green? Can anybody guess what that is? I can't. It looks a little bit nasty, a little bit dirty. I think it's a lot of nastiness, but woo! Yeah, the lady here had about 4 or 5 dogs in cages in the kitchen. And so what do you got here?
We got a mystery fridge.
Mystery box. We love these, don't we? Okay. Let's see. So this is her kitchen, the floor. Oh, we don't want to miss this part.
Oh.
All right. Well, but wait, there's more. There's more. It's probably so frozen in there. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that nasty. Oh, if you guys could smell what we smell, you wouldn't be able to put up with it. So can you believe somebody actually lived like this? All right, who's got the fridge? You got the fridge. All right, let me move in my position. So this is clean compared to what it was. The guy's been doing a great job here cleaning up, as you can see, but not quite everything. Let's see. Look at that. I'm sure there's other worse hoarders with maggots, but golly, how can you pick up food from there and put it in your mouth? I mean, wow. It's sad. It's sad that people actually choose to live like, what? What exploded in there? Oh my. Wow. Ooh. All right, let's see. Is anything happening in here? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Full of crap. Let's go upstairs, guys, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go see. And this is actually clean. When I came in about a month ago, I couldn't even walk through. So, as you can see, hoarding is a bad thing, and these guys are going to do a great job removing all the old flooring. Wow. And, poop splatter. All right, let's go on upstairs. Don't want to touch anything in here or put any food in that freezer. Okay, let's go up these stairs. So this is one of my videos that I'm doing before and after. I'm not going to do the actual demo here. These guys will. I'll be the one installing the flooring.
You see this?
We're in Phoenix, Arizona located. Call us today, Royal Wood Flooring, 602-446-2613. Wow, this is amazing. I guess there was artists living in here. And they had a lot of paint that they splattered all over. I wish you guys could see how well. I don't know if that's kind of paint or what other stuff. What else did you find?
Right above you.
Oh, wow. Been living with that, huh? Look at this. I wish I could tell what color that carpet was. But I can't. Imagine sleeping in here. I could never imagine that. Poor people. It's sad that some people live this way. That doesn't look too bad, does it? Let's see. Anything in there? Oh no, it's actually pretty clean. Surprise, surprise. Compared to the carpet and the walls, I think that's what I think it is. Smeared all over because, like I said, she had a lot of dogs. Tenant that was here, and it's probably not as bad as other houses that I've seen on YouTube, except it is still pretty bad and gruesome since I don't know how many years of neglect this house has had. And it's okay. We'll turn it around and make it like new again. How did you get that up there? Wow, never mind. All right, that's a window to the outside. It hasn't been cleaned either. And this is really just horrible way to live. Mental disorder must be not a good thing. That's what most people would have here that live like this. Wow. I'll make a little more video, and then this was a grown woman that lived here. Drawing and just the paint. Well, no, let me not say what I think it is. This is where laundry is. Wow. This is what I'm amazed. Always seeing this on the walls. How do they get it in every room? What exploded in here? Maybe a paint can? And then we have some more brown stuff on the walls. More brown stuff, I guess. I don't know what happened with this brown stuff everywhere. I would like to open the windows, but it's so nasty. Yeah. Never mind. They don't open. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Thank God for this great crew that's going to do the demo. And this way, when we come in here, we'll just have to replace the flooring. More poopy stuff. Whew. All over the floor. Oh wow. We haven't been in this room. Let's check it out. This must be the master living room. Master bedroom. Alright. Can we open some blinds? This is awful. This carpet does not know what vacuum cleaner means. Nope. Doesn't know what a vacuum cleaner is. It never knew. Whew. Whoa. It's actually a lot worse than you could see on the video. I mean, crap is everywhere. I mean, real crap. Oh, there it goes again. Splatter. Guessing one of the animals has some kind of a bladder problem or something. Oh yeah. Oh, the smell in here is just awful. Awful, awful. I cannot imagine sleeping in here. What is this? It doesn't matter what it is. Royal Wood Flooring will get it done. So call us today. We're located, like I said, Phoenix, Arizona. And we'll do a video, follow-up video after. Once it's all done and completed. Let's go downstairs again. Huh. I don't think I would even walk. You can't walk barefoot on this. How do you walk on this thing? We're going to go to sleep. Alright, well, let's go downstairs. And having a little water issue. What is that? Oh, wow, how did they get that up there? That's my question. How do you get that up there? Well, doesn't matter how they get up there. This is it. Nastiest house I've really haven't been to a nastier house in 15 years here in Phoenix. That I can say it is nasty.
Yeah, but we got
There's the garage. We got to hop over this, which is not that bad. You're saying, well, Vinny, some of these things could be good. Yeah, probably, but they all smell like cat and dog pee and every kind of animal scent you could think of. So they're not even good for donations. Nope, they're not. That's okay. Good thing that we have the garbage guy here in Phoenix that will remove all this stuff, do a great job at it, and be thankful that they have work today. Good company. Let's go around, and that's the garbage guy you want to call when you want to do demo. And there's your flooring guys you want to call when you want to have your flooring done after the demo. Hope you guys enjoyed our video.